All right, y'all, so I see a lot of words. I see a lot of like text. Draw the value chain. It's how do you get the product to the customer?
We came up with this section for Engineering 100-220 Tech Revolutions, trying to think about how to teach business principles, but also teach kind of core engineering principles.
We have students in the section who are dual majors between the business school and College of Engineering. And we have a special section this semester which is geared toward understanding how to commercialize technology.
And how those technologies historically have become so popular and so influential.
Each team has their own project topic that they're working on, and the project topics are taken from the intellectual property pipeline originating from labs here at the University of Michigan.
So students are actually working on real innovations that faculty at UM have created and that are in the process of being brought to market as we speak.
Somehow we have to make this transition from students having trained on problems that have a very definitive procedure and have a definitive answer in the back of the book to solving these open-ended problems that have a lot of complex variables where the consequences potentially could be quite significant.
And the third phase is that you're also going to have to come up with criteria by which you reduce. And that's actually oftentimes the job of a CEO in a company. Your job is to kill ideas, right? Like that's your job as a CEO in a company.
One of my favorite exercises was the list 100 things that your company needs to consider in order to launch the product. It allowed us to really pour out our knowledge on the product and try to get as many ideas flowing as possible, and I think that really built up our team connection too.
Students are asked and taught to think about how different systems support a given technology and how a given technology taps into already existing systems in society. Why might somebody purchase your technology over somebody else's? Why is this thing valuable to me as a consumer? Learning how to actually map and communicate those ideas, but also do that analysis.
It's not just an academic exercise, it's a very real thing that people can have a hand in developing. And if things work out really great and they contributed something, maybe that's part of their career going forward.
What students in our section are getting is this broad set of skills that they can take into their engineering courses, that they can take into their WASP courses, building that foundation into their future careers as well.